Hi viewers, welcome back to Mymoonas kitchen with Shaariq, and today's recipe is a vanilla cake with chocolate cream, but it's all with jaggery, no sugar is added. And let's see how to prepare this tasty cake, and you guys too try this recipe at your home and let me know your comments. Come, let's go to my kitchen. These are the dry ingredients. First we have to sieve the wheat flour because wheat flour is little difficult than maida. So sieve it first. I'm adding a little bit of salt and sieving it first. And now we'll measure it. 2 bowls of wheat flour. The same bowl we have to measure the jaggery. Now these are the dry ingredients. So 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, 25 grams of butter, homemade butter. I have given the link of the butter. Now 2 bowls of jaggery. The jaggery is cut that very fine with no thick pieces. Now we have to mix it well. I am showing you fully so that you will know how it is when it is mixed little, and when it is mixed fully it becomes very creamy. I am adding the second bowl of jaggery and half teaspoon of vanilla extract, and now we'll mix it. See how it has become. While mixing, if you feel the jaggery and the butter is too hard, so you can add a little bit of curd which you are having. I have added 10 ml of very sour curd. Now mix it well. After mixing it well, you can add wheat flour little by little, the dry ingredients which we have mixed little by little, and mix it carefully. You have to whisk it in the same side, don't turn the side. Here I have added all the dry ingredients, and now we have to mix it well. After I have added all the dry ingredients, the cake batter has thickened. Now we have to add enough milk to make the batter as the consistency which we want. So we'll add 20 ml of milk. Little by little we'll add the milk. I have added 20 ml milk, and now mix the batter well. Now it's time to grease the cake tray, and I am greasing it with ghee. Now we'll pour the cake batter into the cake tray and just beat it for no air bubbles. I have already preheated the cooker, and now we'll bake the cake for 40 minutes. To make the cream for the cake, we need 50 grams of butter and the same 50 grams of jaggery, and now we'll mix it well. Now it has been mixed well and it is thickening as a cream, and now we have to add a little bit of coffee powder. And again mix it well after adding the coffee powder. Now we have to add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract Because it's jaggery, I am adding 1 teaspoon. If you are using sugar, you can add half teaspoon. Also add 1.5 tablespoon cocoa powder, unsweetened cocoa powder. Now after that we have to mix it well with the whisk. See how I am doing? Do it the same way. In the same side you have to do it. Almost the chocolate cream is ready now, and we'll wait for the cake to get baked. Now here my son wants to play with the cream. He says that he wants to mix it and he's playing with it. The cream is already ready and I have kept it aside. He wants to mix it, so he's just playing with it. Now meanwhile we'll check whether the cake is baked. Yes, the cake is baked, I hope so. I'm checking it with a toothpick. Yeah, the cake is baked, and now we'll see it. Let it cool. See how much the cake has puffed. The cake has puffed well, and you can see it. Now we'll just turn it, and I'll show you how fluffy and how soft the cake is. Now I have put the cream over the cake, and now we can eat. It's just ready to eat. We can have it with tea or coffee. That's your wish. If you like this video, like, comment and share it with your family and friends. Until next, take care of you.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year. வந்ததுல இப்ப ஹாப்பி 2020 ன்னு பிடிச்சுக்கணும். அது கஷ்டப்படுங்க.
Bye bye. Take care.